Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're talking about finding the probability of disjoint events. Really, all that means is they're not related. Doing one will not affect the other. So you have this idea in math that if they're related, doing one action will directly or indirectly affect the other one. However, here, as an example, if you've ever dealt with playing cards, there's 52 cards in a deck. That's a standard deck. We're not counting jokers. What's the probability that a 10 or a face card? Well, a 10 is not considered a face card. So by choosing a 10, you're not affecting how many face cards there are. So these are, by doing one, you're not affecting the other. So they're disjoint events. Now, to find that, all we have to do is find the probability of A and add the probability of B. So we can either choose A to be pulling a 10, or we can choose B to be the probability of 10, but whichever one we choose for A, the other one becomes. So in this case, I'll just go in order. The probability of A, here we go. The probability of A, we're going to say, is pulling a 10, and the probability of B is going to be pulling a face card. Well, the probability of pulling a 10 is over here in A. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 10s. So we have 4 chances out of 52. Now we have the idea of 52 playing cards, and since it's an or, this is not a choose a card and then another card. This is choose a card, and it's either going to be a 10 or it's going to be a face card. Ooh, brain just stuttered. All right, so here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 face cards. So we have a 12 in 52 chance. Now remember, we got to add these together. So when we do that, we end up having a 16 in 52 chance of being able to pull either a 10 or a face card. We can simplify that. 30 doesn't go completely evenly, so let's see. Pull out 4. And we get 4 over 13. Now, 4 over 13, we could take our calculator, which I don't have mine out, so I'm flipping to my notes real quick. 4 out of 13 is the same thing as about 0.308 or 30.8. We have a 30.8% chance when we have all 52 cards in a deck of pulling a 10 or a face card.